What if I told you that one of the biggest reasons adults over 60 lose independence isn't their heart, isn't their lungs, but two muscles most people completely ignore? Your glutes. If you walk every single day, if you stay active, if you try to keep moving, but you still feel weak getting out of a chair, unsteady on stairs, or cautious on uneven ground, this is not aging. It's muscle loss in the most powerful stability system of your body. And here's the surprising part, walking only activates about 30% of your glute strength capacity. That means you could be walking miles every week, and still getting weaker where it matters most. Today on Senior Fit Secrets, we're going to fix that. You'll learn why walking alone is not enough after 60, what gluteal amnesia really means, why weak glutes quietly increase fall risk, and the 5 essential exercises that rebuild strength safely, without punishing your knees or spine, if your goal is to stay independent, confident, and steady on your feet for decades to come. Stay with me, because this might be the most important strength video you ever watch. Why walking isn't enough after 60. Let's be clear, walking is fantastic. It supports cardiovascular health. It improves circulation. It keeps joints moving. But walking is primarily a forward, repetitive, low-load movement. Your glutes, specifically the gluteus maximus and gluteus medius, are designed for vertical power, standing up, climbing stairs, lateral stability, preventing side-to-side wobbling, hip extension, protecting your lower back, single leg control, essential for balance. Walking does not challenge those functions deeply enough. Research using electromyography, EMG, which measures muscle activation, shows that casual walking activates only a fraction of glute capacity compared to targeted strength exercises. So what happens? The body adapts. If you don't challenge a muscle, it shrinks. This is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. After 60, muscle mass declines roughly 1 to 2% per year if not actively trained. But here's the danger, glute weakness doesn't just mean smaller muscles. It means reduced balance, slower reaction time, increased fall risk, more strain on knees, more pressure on the lower back, and that's where something called gluteal amnesia enters the picture. What is gluteal amnesia? Gluteal amnesia doesn't mean your muscles are gone. It means they've forgotten how to fire properly. When you sit for long periods, driving, watching TV, working at a desk, the glutes become neurologically inhibited. Other muscles take over. Your lower back compensates. Your hamstrings tighten. Your knees absorb more force. Over time, your body shifts into inefficient movement patterns. You may notice lower back discomfort when standing, difficulty climbing stairs, feeling unstable stepping off curbs, needing to push off your thighs to stand up. That's not just weakness. That's underactive glutes failing to stabilize your hips. But here's the good news, at any age, 60, 70, even 80, muscles can rebuild strength. You just have to train them correctly. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Step-ups, vertical strength and hip stability. If you only do one glute exercise after 60, make it this one. Why? Because real life happens vertically. You don't fall forward most of the time. You lose balance stepping up or stepping down. Step-ups rebuild vertical power safely. How to do it? Use a sturdy step, stair, or low platform. Hold onto a railing or wall for support. Place your full foot on the step. Lean slightly forward from the hips. Push through your heel. Step up slowly. Step down with control. Key tip, don't push off the back leg. Let the front leg do the work. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions per leg. What this trains: gluteus maximus for hip extension, balance control, stair strength, fall prevention, mechanics. You'll feel this in your hips, not your knees. If you feel knee pressure, Reduce height. This exercise restores confidence climbing stairs, one of the biggest fear triggers for adults over 60. Exercise 2, Glute Kickbacks. Posture and hip extension. Weak glutes force your lower back to overwork. That leads to stiffness and fatigue. Glute kickbacks retrain hip extension, the motion that keeps you upright and tall. How to do it: stand holding a counter or chair. Keep chest lifted. Slightly bend the standing leg. Extend one leg backward slowly. Squeeze your glute at the top. Avoid arching your lower back. Return with control. Slow and controlled beats fast every time. Start with 2 sets of 10 to 12 per side. Why this matters: strong hip extension improves walking stride, reduces back strain, enhances posture, increases push-off power. This is where many older adults regain the feeling of walking strong again, instead of shuffling. Exercise 3, Glute Bridges. Lower back protection. This is one of the safest and most effective exercises for rebuilding glute activation. It's done lying down, which removes joint stress. How to do it: lie on your back. Knee bent. Feet flat, hip width apart. Press through your heels. Lift hips until your body forms a straight line. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower slowly. Avoid pushing through toes. Avoid arching your back. You should feel tension in your glutes, not your lower spine. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. If this becomes easy, pause 3 seconds at the top. Benefits: activates dormant glutes, protects lower back, improves standing posture, supports pelvic stability. Many physical therapists use this as a foundation movement for fall recovery programs. Exercise 4, Seated Hip Abductions. Lateral balance control. Most falls occur side to side. That's where the gluteus medius plays a critical role. This muscle stabilizes your pelvis when standing on one leg. Without it, you wobble. Here's how to strengthen it safely: sit upright in a chair. Loop a resistance band around thighs, optional but recommended. Feet flat on floor. Push knees outward slowly. Hold for 2 seconds. Return with control. If no band is available, press outward against your hands. Start with 2 sets of 12 to 15 reps. This movement strengthens lateral hip stability, reduces hip drop while walking, improves single leg confidence, decreases fall risk. It may not look dramatic, but it's powerful protection. Exercise 5, Modified Split Squats. Single leg strength. Single leg strength equals real world strength. Every step you take is technically a controlled single leg stance. Modified split squats rebuild that control safely. How to do it: stand holding a chair or countertop. Step 1 foot back. Keep feet hip width apart. Lower slightly by bending both knees. Keep torso upright. Press through front heel to rise. This is not a deep lunge. Small range is enough. Start with 2 sets of 6 to 8 per leg. Why this matters: this movement trains balance under load, hip stability, knee control, confidence during walking. When single leg strength improves, walking feels smoother and more secure. Why vertical strength matters more than cardio after 60. Cardio keeps your heart healthy. Strength keeps you independent. After 60, preserving muscle becomes more important than increasing endurance. Because when muscle declines, reaction time slows, balance decreases, fall risk increases, recovery becomes harder. Vertical strength, standing up, stepping up, controlling descent, protects independence. And that doesn't require heavy weights. It requires consistency. 2 to 3 times per week. 20 minutes. That's it. How fast can you rebuild glute strength? With proper training, Neural activation improves in 2 to 3 weeks. Noticeable strength gains appear in 4 to 6 weeks. Balance improvements can begin even sooner. Age does not eliminate muscle building capacity. It only slows recovery slightly. Consistency beats intensity. Every time. Safety guidelines: if you are new to strength training, start without weights. Hold support for balance. Move slowly. Stop if you feel sharp pain. Mild muscle fatigue is normal. Joint pain is not. If you have severe osteoporosis, recent surgery, or advanced joint degeneration, consult your healthcare provider before starting. But for most adults over 60, these movements are safe and restorative. The bigger picture, independence. This is not about bodybuilding. It's not about appearance. It's about getting out of a chair without assistance. Climbing stairs confidently. Walking on grass without fear. Traveling without hesitation. Living independently into your 80s and beyond. Strong glutes are the foundation of that freedom. And the best part? It's never too late to start. Your muscles are listening. They're just waiting for the right signal. Weekly plan: simple structured day 1: step-ups, glute bridges, seated abductions. Day 2: kickbacks, modified split squats, glute bridges. Alternate 2 to 3 times per week. Walk on off days. That's a powerful combination. Final motivation: if you've been walking faithfully but still feel weaker each year, it's not failure. It's incomplete training. Add these 5 movements. Stay consistent. Give it 6 weeks. And pay attention to how you feel getting out of bed, climbing stairs, stepping off a curb. Strength is freedom. Balance is independence. And independence is everything after 60. Outro: if this helped you understand why walking alone isn't enough, and what truly builds strength after 60, share this video with someone who needs it. Your future mobility depends on what you do today. And here at Senior Fit Secrets, we focus on science-based strategies to help you move better, feel stronger, and age with confidence. Stay consistent. Stay steady. And I'll see you in the next episode.